As a part of this video, let us start with a very basic thing. That is, what is data? Any idea what is data? You can just pause a video and try what can be a data. In most of the forums, when I ask this question, people say data is the information. I disagree with them. Then what is data? Data is a raw fact or figure. Data is also a set of values of subjects with respect to qualitative or quantitative variables. When you want to reference or analyze something in the future, you collect facts and statistics about that. That is also a data. In a very simple manner, the data is the raw fact or figure. So now that we understood what is data, let us look at what are the different types of data. The moment we say data, what comes to our mind is the numbers, isn't it? Numeric data is one of the type of the data, like 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 7, all the numbers, all the combination of the numbers from 0 to 9. That can be numeric data. Then comes the text data. Any words or sentences you form out of 26 alphabets in English or any other language, that is a text data. It can be a email what you are writing within the company, or any of the email which you are exchanging with your friends, that can be a text data, or status what you update on Facebook, that can be a text data, and status you update in Twitter can be a text data. These are the two important types of the data. Now let us move on. There is a alphanumeric data as well. Can see it, right? What is alphanumeric data? Very simple. Whatever the data where it is formed with the combination of alphabets and numbers, that can be alphanumeric data. You can see 201520BB. These are alphabets. This is a number. When we combine both of them, then we get a alphanumeric data. Then we get a images data. Beautiful pictures, whatever you are taking and uploading it in Instagram or Facebook. That can be a image data. Or images we are getting out of the biological experiments like this can be a data. Or x-rays you are taking in the hospitals, that can be image data. So these are the different data in terms of images. Now we'll move on. The next type of data is audio data. Wonderful music you are hearing, that can be a audio data. Or whenever you receive a call from any call center, they'll say this particular conversation would be recorded for our future purposes or training purposes. That call record can be a audio data. In the end, we do have a video data. Videos you are watching in a YouTube can be a video data. Or whenever you want to scan something, video which is getting generated with that scanning, that also can be a video data. So the different types of the data. What we understood is what is data, what are the different types of the data. Now let's understand what is information. Any thoughts? Can you pause a video for a bit and try what can be a information? Information is interpreted data. Means when we subject the data for analysis, that is when we get information. Data that has been processed within the context to give it a meaning is called as an information. Basically, information is processed data or interpreted data or analyzed data. Information is always meaningful. Now, I'm sure you are able to distinguish between what is data and what is information.